Welcome back to the Forex is Easy trading blog. This is one of the training videos from a current trade I'm in. If you go to the blog, there's the address there. You'll see I'm in a Euro Japan or Euro Yen, if you want to call it that, 4-hour chart. I'm in a short trade. Now this video I'll just explain how I got into the trade and where we're at the moment. Now when I initially started the trading on the blog, I always have to look for a start point in all my trades. And it was in, I think we're in this area here when I initially put my start orders in. So my initial order was to sell the Euro Japan where this blue line is on that low there, which was at 13153. And I just used my yellow lines to track the market up, and we just got new highs as we go here, and see how we've had all these fallen highs, new highs. Then the price has fallen down below the bottom yellow line and back into the yellow lines. So that gives me a place to move my new sell order up. So I've moved up to this low here, which is 13271, and up the prices go up again, and I keep on moving my yellow lines up on these new highs. I think that's one there. So we've got new highs. Then we've had price drop down again below the bottom yellow line and back into the yellow lines. So again, I'll move my sell order up, which was that level there, which is at 13347. Now, as you can see, the market went up, didn't make any new highs, then eventually rolled over. And on this candle here, it's dropped through the blue line, giving my entry point. I don't know if you watched the other videos, but I always said that my entry points are 10 pips below or above the actual low or the high. So this faint line here you can actually see is my actual trade. That's where I was entered, but I go on this blue line here. So now we're short at this level, which is 13347. So that's my blue line's already in place. So what I do now is I take this top yellow line, move down to the low of the candle that gave me my entry, which is that candle here. Now I'll go and find my red line. It's just sitting at the bottom of my chart out of the way, and I'll put that up the top. That's my stop and reverse. Now that level on this trade was at 134.49. So between this blue line and that red line, there is 102 pips at risk. So that's my risk. Now this faint red line you can see down the bottom here, this dotted dash line, is my actual target. So you can see I come very close to my 200 pip target at 13147, but not close enough. So there's my entry. So now we start, as I said previously, I move these yellow lines out of the way just so they're not cluttering up my chart. I normally put them above or below the red SAR line, depending on if it's a long or a short. Now there's another new low there, so I bring one of my yellow lines into play there. And we've got a new low there, and our fourth line is in place there. New low there. Not sure if there's a new low next to that or not. Let's have a look. 132.437, 132.43. It's basically the same low. New low on the second last candle of the week there. So here we are. We're short. Our risk is 102 pips still, and the market came very close to our 200 pip target, but didn't make it, and just had a bit of a pullback near the end of the week. So what we're looking for at the start of this week is just for the market to roll over and price again, go through our profit target and give us our 200 pips. That's the plan. Whether it works or not, it may head up and roll back down again. That way I can move my SAR down, etc. But at the moment we're looking pretty good on this trade. So yeah, that's it. That's the Euro Japan. That'll probably do me for videos on these trades, current trades. There's no use to going in the euro, I don't think, or the Great British Pound / yen. They're pretty much the same as this one. Okay, thanks for that.